So I was thinking, Ellie's in first, Maya's in third. This is a thing that I didn't notice the first time I read If You Come Softly. And looking forward, it is definitely foreshadowing. Also, the preface is in present tense, and the majority of the narrative is told in past tense. So I think I'm an English teacher for a minute. So the question that we always talk about in advanced placement workshops is, so what? What does it do to the narrative that some of it is in present tense and some of it is in past tense? What does it do to the narrative that some of it is in first person and some of it is in third person? Well, the present tense kind of sets up a frame for the story. So, it's been a while since I've read it. So either we're gonna come back to present tense at the end and like the epilogue, or where the story ends is where the story begins. As for the change in point of view when the perspective shifts, well, this is a Romeo and Juliet story. 3 guesses about what that stylistic choice is meant to indicate. All of that to say that when I'm reading a novel and things get tense and I don't know what's going to happen to a character, one of the things that I do as a reader is check the tense, because sometimes the tense will tell me or give me some kind of idea whether or not things are going to turn out okay for this character that I've become attached to. So have you, or do you ever pay attention to the tense that a story is written in? And what effects does it have on you as a reader? Leave it in the comments and I'll see you there soon. Until then, I'm the Supplier wishing you happy reading. Don't forget to be awesome.